Microsoft has started roll out Windows 11 Moments 5 features, include more options to control PCs, improved Copilot features, a new generative erase option in Photos, voice shortcuts, improved snap layouts, and more. If you are existing Windows 11 user, to download and install Windows 11 Moment 5 feature update you need to install March 2024 Cumulative Update KB5035853. To do this, go to Settings and click on Windows Update, and first enable the toggle Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Now hit Check for Updates button to download and install the March patch updates that bring the Windows 11 Moment 5 features. The update download and installation may take some time depending on your internet speed, how fast it download the update files from Microsoft Server, and system configuration that how quickly apply the changes on your system. Let the update download and install on your device. Once the updates are downloaded, install them and restart your PC to apply changes. However, if your PC fails to update or you are encountering some error, you can download and install the Moment 5 feature update manually. To do this, open a browser of your choice and navigate to Microsoft Update Catalog. Click the search bar found at the top right of the page and search for KB5035853. Well, you need to search the most recent patch, and if you're not sure, you can use Windows 11 Tracker. Choose the package that matches your device's configuration. If you are running an Intel or AMD-based PC, you have to download the x64 package. Well, if you own a Snapdragon-based ARM PC, then the ARM64 package is for you. Let the package download. It may take time depending on internet speed. Once the download complete, locate the package on your PC, right-click on it, select Open to run and apply the update on your device. Click Yes when it asks Confirm install the update. Once the update applied, you need to restart Windows to apply changes. After the update is installed and the PC is rebooted, open Settings and navigate to Windows Update. Enable the Get the latest updates as soon as they're available toggle. Check for updates again to download the configuration update, install it and restart your PC. Your Windows 11 PC should have the Moment 5 update installed and running now. To check and ensure Moment 5 update installed on your device, open Settings then Windows Update. Tap on Update History and expand other updates. Look if Windows Configuration Update, KB5035349, listed. If yes, then Moment 5 feature update installed on your device. If you didn't found the configuration update installed, you need to toggle on Get the latest updates as soon as they're available option in Windows Update settings, then hit Check for updates. Now talking about Windows 11 Moment 5 features and changes, after install it you will notice Copilot icon move to right side of the taskbar, next to the system tray. As a result of this change, the system will now disable the Show Desktop feature by default. But you can restore this configuration from Settings, Personalization then Taskbar, and under the Taskbar Behaviors setting, check the Select the far corner to the taskbar to show the desktop option. Also, it bring the ability to undock Copilot by clicking on a new icon at the top right corner of the header. Once undocked, the Copilot windows can appear above or below other apps, and the apps window can also be resized. In addition, Microsoft is expanding Copilot's abilities by introducing plugins integrating third-party services. Also, Microsoft says they will be bringing plugins in the future, including Shopify, Klarna, and Kayak over the next month. In addition to the plugins, Microsoft Copilot has also been enhanced with new skills that allow you to open various settings quickly, get information about your device, or launch accessibility features. Also, finally, you can now add a friendly name for your PC while using Nearby Sharing. It will make it easy to identify your device which previously used your username. You can use special characters, but the name can be only 16 characters long. To rename your PC for Nearby Sharing, open Settings, go to System then Nearby Sharing. And click Rename next to your device is discoverable as. Also now onward, when you share a file using the nearby share window in File Explorer, you can directly share it on WhatsApp. If you don't have WhatsApp installed, a download symbol will appear inside the WhatsApp logo. You can also expect better transfer speeds while sharing a file when both devices are connected to the same network. What more, this update also introduces a new recovery feature that allows you to reinstall the operating system through Windows Update to repair the most common problems. The feature is labeled Fix Problems using Windows Update and is available on Settings, System then Recovery. When you launch the feature, Windows Update will download the current version of the operating system to reinstall the system while preserving your files, settings, and apps. So there is no hassle of backing up your data on an external disk. The Voice Access app now supports multiple new languages in Windows 11 Moment 5. So, French, Spanish, and German users can give commands and accomplish basic tasks with ease. Moreover, Voice Access now supports multi-monitor support, meaning that your commands will even work with the attached display. Another great addition is Voice Shortcuts, which lets you create custom shortcuts. Also, Microsoft makes Windows Spotlight the default wallpaper setting in the Windows 11 Moment 5 update. If you use any of the inbuilt Windows images as wallpaper, Windows Spotlight becomes the default choice after installing the update. But if you use a custom wallpaper, the wallpaper settings will remain untouched. Also, Snap Layouts now offer smart suggestions. It means that you have more options on how to stack all the open windows in different layouts. The usual layouts are blank, while the suggested ones show app icons to help you understand which app will shift to a particular position. Microsoft also improved screen casting by automatically displaying notifications when you cast your screen in certain applications. The Widgets feature is also getting enhancements, allowing you to customize the widgets board by organizing your widgets into categories. After installing the Moment 5 update, the Start menu will now group recently added apps into a folder under the Recommended section. Also, as you hover over the group, the folder will open with all the apps. Also in the Photos app, Microsoft is adding a new generative erase feature that removes distractions from photos and generates appropriate content to fill that empty space in a way that looks natural. This is something you may have seen on other platforms, like Google's Pixel phones. Additionally, Clipchamp is getting a new silence removal feature. Available in preview today, this feature can help you quickly cut out moments of awkward silence in a video, improving the pace of said video. Well, it's important to note, this feature will begin rolling out today for Windows users who have the Get the Latest updates as soon as they're available setting enabled in Windows Update. Did you have enabled Windows 11 Moment 5 features on your device? Share your feedback on comments below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to share your feedback on comments below. Hit like button to appreciate my work, and subscribe this channel to get latest Windows 11 updates, features, and how-to guides.